Again, guys. So today we'll learn how we will tell about time 2 hour and half hour. Okay, 2 hour and half hour. Yalla. Start. We're gonna start watching a video.
Okay.
Okay. Yep. Pay attention, Zena. Sit down في الروم, please. قاعدين منيح زينة.
Hi, friends. You know how sometimes you get so excited that you just can't sit still? That's how I feel about tonight's boat race. Oh, it's going to be so much fun. I know the race starts at 7:30, but I don't know what 7:30 looks like. Maybe it would help if we looked at a clock. What will the clock look like at 7:30? I need to find out about telling time to the hour and half hour. Now come with me and let's find out.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
show times to the hour and half.
So guys, we have a clock. Okay, we have a clock. Can you see? It is as the same as you. Guys, can you see? We have a clock.
Yes.
As the same as you did before. Yeah, let us see.
Hour. Using only the hour hand. The time shown is 11 o'clock. Because the hour hand is pointing to the number 11. Place the hour hand on this clock to
Okay, so guys, we have two hands. Two hands, okay? A tall one and another short one. We have two hands. One is taller than the other. Tall and short one. Tall hands and short hands, okay? So if I want to guess how many hours we have, we go to the tall or short. What do you think? To guess the hour.
Teacher,
Yes.
it was look like this.
Yes. One is tall and the other is short. So the green one, yes.
7:30. Like this.
No, it's not 7:30. It's 7:30,
What?
I guess. Okay, wait a second يا زينة شوية مس بعدنا بنشرح. Okay, so the short one is 4. Sorry, hour. You have two hands. So the short one is our hand.
The second one, it is the minutes.
Yes. So
Teacher, I want to go to the bathroom.
you can go, miss. And the second one is for minutes. Minutes, gonna write it here. And the short one, the shorter is for hour. Okay, guys? لازم نحفظهم. The shorter for hour, the tall one is for minute. Look.
to show 2 o'clock.
Look. So if I say that is the time now is 2 o'clock, this is the difference between o'clock and o'clock. Guys, use your clocks and point the shorter one for 2. Yalla guys, and show it to me. Yep. Use your clocks. نستخدم ساعاتنا. Point the short hands for 2. Come on guys, yalla.
I point. Don't be sad.
Yeah, Amar, show it to me. We're gonna start with Amar. Only 2. The short one is only 2. Great job, Zena. Amar, show it to me. Okay. 2 o'clock. This is not 2 o'clock. But yeah. Only the short one for 2. Show it to me.
It is 2 o'clock, but it is.
Okay. We're gonna take 2 o'clock. Only let's show it to me. The shorter hands for or our hands on 2. I can see Ahmed. Okay, thank you, Asad. Ahmed, the shorter one, the green one. Yes, sir.
Look, I want to show you.
Okay, show it to me. Thank you, Sad. Show it to me.
I put it.
Okay, thank you. فرح عند زينة.
Wait.
فرح عند بتول, sorry. Thank you, Zena. Okay, Farah, Batul, can I see?
Wait. Like this.
Teacher.
Yes, the hour hands for the hour. Okay, great job. The hour hands to number 2. Okay, this is 2 o'clock. هناخدها كمان. نمر, where's Nimr?
Teacher, look. Our hands for
Which page?
the our hands.
Page, miss. هلا اترك لي البيج. Show me your clock.
The our hand for the 2 and
Okay.
No.
Point.
Teacher,
Our hands for 2. Guys, wait a second. I'm talking to Nimr. Guys, all of you, point at me. Yes.
for
Yes.
Put the our hand and finish.
Okay, thank you.
The
Ahmed.
bigger hand.
Thank you. Okay, let us see. Guys, did you like this? Then I don't try,
At 2
please.
o'clock, the hour hand points to the 2. When the hour hand moves from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, how much time has passed?
Okay, guys. So can you hear me? Move.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, I want you to move the hour hand from 2 to 3. Move it from
I
from
move
2 to 3. From 2 to 3.
this.
Move the hour hand. Should be here now. From 2 to 3.
Look. Like this.
Yes.
Teacher, the our hand for the 3 and I put the
No,
minute.
the same hand. The hour hand, guys. Move it from the hour hand from 2 to 3. Move it.
Okay.
يعني كانت عند 2 هلا عند 3. Now.
Like this.
Yes, like
Look,
that.
teacher.
Yes, Farah. Yes, Sad.
Teacher.
Yes, okay.
It is like this.
Okay, yes. So guys, what do you think? If the hour hands move from 2 to 3, how many times goes on? How many times راح from 2 to 3?
3 o'clock.
No, how many times? What do you think, Amar? Guys, Amar, what do you think? What?
2 hours and 3 minutes.
No, only from 2 to 3. If the hour hands move from 2 to 3, how many times goes on? What do you think?
Good.
How many times?
3.
1 hour. 1 hour to move from one hour to another hour. From one number to another number, we move 1 hour if we use our hands. Okay, guys? If you use our hands and we move from one number to another, we move like for 1 hour. رح ناخذ كمان. It is okay. هلا احنا فهمتنا. Can you see, guys?
Teacher,
Yes.
the bigger hand where goes?
هلا اترك
Where
البيجر هاند.
where I should put it?
سعد ما
Now let's
تسبق.
place
اترك
the hour
البيجر
hand
هاند
to
ما
show
بدنا
half
اياه.
past 2 o'clock. The
I
hour
can't
hand
hear
points
you.
halfway
Saad,
between
please
the 2
listen
and
to
the
me.
3 to show half past 2.
ما نفكر بالكبير. احنا هلا only in our hands,
This clock
okay?
shows 8 o'clock.
Only our hands. Okay, هلا we're
The
gonna
hour
take a
hand
look.
points to the 8. This is the minute hand. It's longer than the hour hand. It points to the 12. Let's show 8 o'clock
Teacher.
on a digital clock. It takes 5 minutes for the minute hand to move from one number to the next number on a clock face.
Great job, Farah.
John,
Yes.
I want to tell you something.
Yeah.
Why you having putting in the hour's hand?
Why I have what?
Not in 3, in 8.
Yeah, it is another example. We're done with the number 3. Okay, guys, again. So we have this clock. The hour hand, the shorter one, points to 8. Here is it. This is the hour hand, the shorter one. الطويل 4 minutes, pointing to 12. Okay? Again, when the hour hands move from one number to another, I move like 1 hour. Okay? If the minutes hand move from one number to another number, I move 5 minutes. هذا اللي نفهمه اليوم. 5 minutes, guys. Okay? If the, guys, listen to me carefully. If the hour hands, here's the hour hands, the shorter one, move from one number to another, we move 1 hour each time. If the taller one, minutes hands moves from one number to another, we move 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. So now what is the time? What do you think? Yeah, you're gonna ask me, Ahmed. What is the time now? What do you think? Ahmed, what is the time now? What?
Is 8:12.
Yeah, it is 8 o'clock. 12 it doesn't mean anything. 8 o'clock. Okay, great job. بعد مش واخدين راسي. Great job, Ahmed. Let us see. I move from 12 to 1. How many minutes, yes, it takes? If I move from 1 to 12, from 12 to 1, yes, Saad.
1 hour.
No, minutes hand.
10.
5
minutes.
5. Each time we move 5 minutes. Each
Teacher,
time we move 5 minutes. Yes.
هلا المس حاطه على 8.
To move
ايه حاطه على
5 minutes each time. Can you see? 5 minutes. If the minutes hand move,
11 minutes.
yes, each time 5 minutes. Okay, you already did it in your clock, huh?
Yeah.
The clock.
Okay, guys. Yes, مين بينادى علي? Who's calling me? Yes, Lara.
Teacher, like this. Like
Wait a
this.
second. Wait a second, Zena. Yes, Lara. Lara?
انت على number 1.
لا بعدنا مش حلين شيء. هذا مش من الكتاب. Okay, this is just a video. Okay. So guys, you should know that we start from the 12. It is 0 minutes. Okay. At 6 now we have 30 minutes. At number 6 we
Teacher.
have 30 minutes. Yes, Yamis.
Like this.
هلا مس اتركوا لي شيء ركزوا معي ما بدكم تسالوني. Okay, now at your clock اللي مش كاتب at 12 write 0 please. Write 0. At under 12 or upper 12 write 0. Okay, 0 or 60. It is the same. هذا رح نفهم. Okay, count by 5 with me to show how many minutes. Okay, guys? 5, 10, 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40,
45,
50,
55, 60.
Okay, we start at 60 and we start at 0 and end at 6.
Teacher, you do a flower.
Yes, it's like a flower. Okay, guys, you have 0, 60, and 30. هذول اليوم لازم نحفظهم. 0, 60, and 30. You should write it. Under 12, it is 0.
I write it yesterday.
Thank you. If you didn't write it, please write it now. Under 12, we have 0 minutes. بعدنا مش مبلشين الحركة. 0 minutes. Above 6, we have 30 minutes. We move from 12 to 6, like 30 minutes. Like, can you see? 5, each time 5 minutes until 6, it is 30 minutes. إذا مش كاتبينها نكتبها. Okay?
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Okay, now يلا open your book. هلا رح نبلش. Open your book, guys.
Page what?
365 بعدك ثاني page 1 احنا فتحناها. Okay, guys, you have 4 clocks. Can you see? We're gonna draw the hour hands to show each time. Okay, gonna set you to the time and you should draw the hour hands.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, wait a second. هلا بعد مش فاتح الكتاب. Gonna do the first one for you guys. Only the first one. Gonna do the first 2. Guys, can you hear me?
Teacher.
عاد سامعيني؟
We can hear you, but we can't see the screen.
Yes.
Yes, okay. It is okay. So today only ده نقعد منيح. ده 99 نقعد منيح. طلع قاعد منيح. This is the class. Let me mute yourself. Okay. So we're gonna figure out what is the time. Okay. Today we will draw hands. Our hands and minute hands. Okay. So if I have the first is 3 o'clock. How to draw 3 o'clock? Okay, so the first clock is 3 o'clock, guys. 3. Oh, sorry. Should be okay. O'clock. So what's the meaning of 3 o'clock? When I have 3 o'clock or something like this? 300. 3 o'clock or 300. Gonna write it here. Yeah, this is the first one. We're gonna draw the hands. So the smaller hands, the hour hands, 3-4 hours, guys. 3-4 hours. The hour hands will point at 3. The smaller one, hey, at 3. When I say o'clock, that means, or 00, that means go to 00 minutes. So 00 minutes, it is at 12. This is 3 o'clock. The hour hand, the shorter one at 3. The taller one, the minutes at 12. Okay, this is 300 or 3 o'clock. When I say I'm gonna start 4:30, 4:30, like this. 4:30, guys. Okay, the hour hands should be, we start with hours. The hour hands should be at 4, the smaller one. Okay, مش لازم يطلع برا الدائرة the hour hands. And the taller one will be at 30 minutes. So where's 30 minutes? You should know that it's 30 minutes. It is at 6. Yes, 30 minutes. It is number 6. 0 number.
Teacher.
Yes.
We have only 3 circles.
No, you have 4. I have the book.
Where are
Here.
they?
It is page 365. 365, guys. 365.
I thought 357.
Okay. Yellow guys, write in your book. Now I want you to use your clock and draw it now at your book. I want to see 7 o'clock, guys. Yep. Show me 7 o'clock and your clocks and at your book. Yalla, Nimir. Yalla, do it now. Nimir, use your clocks and then do it at your book. Use your clock. Yes. Okay, Farah, show it to me. Okay, great job, Farah. Yalla, do it at your book. Thank you, Farah. 7. The hour hands will be at what? And the minutes hand will be at which number? If you did it at your clock, raise your hand. Show me your clock.
I will do it.
Yep.
Teacher, the 7, the small one, the bigger one
Yes,
is.
I do it, teacher. I do it.
Okay,
And
thank you, Saad. Thank you, Saad. Yalla, do it now at your book. Great job, Saad. Yes, Farah.
the bigger one of
I
the,
know it. I know it. I do it.
and I do it in my book like that.
Okay, great job. Yes, Nimir. Nimir, did you do it, guys, at your book?
I do it.
Yeah, but number
Show me the
4, I
clock.
don't do it.
Show me the clocks that you have done. Okay, يلا سعد. يلا at your book. You can do it now at your book. Great job. Show me the clocks. سعد يلا مس على كتابك يا مس. شو عم تعمل؟ على كتابك يا سعد كمان. Bright يا سعد. Thank you. يلا now
مش
bright.
معاه كتابه مش معاه كتابه.
Sorry. نسيت. Okay. يلا. Ahmed, did you do it? Well, Ahmed, show me 7 at your clock. Show me
Do it.
Show me 7 at your clock that you have made it.
Seven.
Seven o'clock. Yes, then.
I have 7 minutes. Have 7 o'clock and 3 minutes.
Show me, Ahmed, 7 o'clock. I can see.
And 15 minutes. 7 and 13 and 15 minutes.
No, 7 o'clock. 7:00. 7. Show it to me. 7 and what? Where's 0?
Then it's 7 and 12.
Okay, 12. Great job. 7 and 12. Thank you. Okay, so guys, you should write like this. Our hands at 7. We start at 7, and the minutes hand, the taller one, at 12. This is 7:00 because we start at yes, then I can speak. What do you want?
I did it.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Now, guys, use your clock and show me which one. Okay, gonna take, yes, 11:30. Use your clocks. أشوف مين أسرع واحد راح يعملها. 11:30. 11 hours and 30 minutes. 11 hours and 30 minutes. يلا, show it to me. مين أسرع واحد؟ بسرعة. Faster.
I am done.
Okay, let us see Farah.
I am done.
Great job, Farah. Great job. You can do it at your book. Yes, Omar, show it to me. Show me your clock. What? No, that's wrong, Omar.
You will is it is snap.
Wait a second, Saad. Guys, wait a second. لما أكون أحكي مع حدا عيب نحكي إحنا بنبقى نحكي معه, okay?
It is
Guys.
11 p.m.
What?
11 and 6 p.m.
11:30. 11 and yes.
And 6.
Yes. Thank you. Sorry.
But
Show
you
me
can't see it in the.
Okay, sorry. Show me, Saad. Great job, Saad. Great job. Okay. Then a great job. Batul, show it to me, please. No. 11:30. Where's the 30 minutes? 11:30, Batul. 11. The smaller one at 11. And where's the 30 minutes? Which number has the 30 minutes? Okay. So gonna draw it for me. Yalla, now you can draw it in your book, guys. Thank you, Farah. Yep, on your box now. Do 11:30 at your book. Yes, thank you.
I do it.
I did it. Do 11:30.
I did
So,
it.
yes, 11:30. The smaller hands, yes, the smaller hands or the hour hands. Okay, thank you, Batul. The hour hands point at 11.
انت حاطه
The hour hands.
انت حاطه عند ال
I put 11:30.
Thank you. Yo, guys. The hour hands at 11. Thank you, Ahmed. And the minutes hands at 6 because 6 is like 30 minutes. إذا مو عارفين what is 30 minutes, you can count 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. But you guys, you already have it at your clocks. عشان هيك أنا عملت the clocks. To know that it's 6, it is 30. 6,
Look,
30
I have
minutes.
it.
12, 0 minutes. For today, you should know that it's 12, 0 minutes.
12,
And
the 12
12.
it is 3 p.m. or 0.
And look, I have it.
Okay, thank you. Yellow guys, did you write it? That 6, it is like 30 minutes. It's equal to 30 minutes. That 12, it is equal to 0 minute or 60 minutes. هلا خلينا على 0 minutes. Done?
Shall I finish?
Okay.
Mama,
Shall I finish?
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. When you're done, raise your hand. Gonna move next page.
the
Guys,
next,
did you write it at your box? Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Dara, did
the
you
next-
done?
can I do it, teacher?
No, wait a second.
I can do
I
it.
did it
Okay.
because I raised my hand.
Done? Yep. Gonna move next page, guys. Yep. Again, نعمل revision about what we take now for today. So guys, look carefully. Yep. So as we take before, we have two hands, the hour hands and the minutes hand. The shorter one, it is for hour, the taller one for minutes. So if the hour hands move from one number to another number, now I move 1 hour, like this name, 1 hour. If I move from one number to another number. If the minutes hand, okay, move from one number to another number, I move 5 minutes each time. You should know that at 12 we have 0 minutes, at 6 we have 30 minutes. Okay, نقدر نحفظهم خلاص نحفظهم هذول. Okay, it takes 5 minutes for the minute hand to move from one number to the next number on a clock face. The clock hands, these clocks show 4. Look, the hands, the smaller hands at 4. The minutes has added 12, so it is 0 minutes. So 400, 400. The hour hands at between 4 and 5. شوفوا كيف it is between 4 and 5. We go to 4. بنروح على الأقل. 4 and the hour hands at 6. It is 4 and 30 minutes. رح ناخذ another example. Use your clocks to do question number 1. We're gonna start with Farah. Yalla, one by one. Yalla, Farah. Oh, just okay. What is the time?
Teacher, I know.
Okay, I'm asking Farah. What is the time, ya Farah? Farah? Look at the clock hands and write the time. What is the time? One Farah.
Okay, I'm here, teacher.
Yes. What is the time?
What
Farah.
is the
Yes.
1.
100. 1 o'clock. 100, guys. You can say it is 100. The hour hands at 1. Okay, thank you, Farah. The hour hands at 1. Can you see the smaller one? We start with the smaller hands at 1, and the taller one, the minutes hands at 0. So it is 100. Okay, ya Amar. Next one for Amar. What is the time, ya Amar?
The time is 9:30.
Yes. No, it is wrong.
Two.
Okay, guys, look at the smaller hands, the hour hands. It is between 8 and 9, صح? Between 8 and 9. We take the smaller. It is 8.
8:45.
No, it is 8:30. 8 for and لما يكون على 6 شو how many minutes? 30 minutes. We have 2 options for minutes for today. 2 options. يا إما on 6 يا إما on 12. So when it is at 6 it is 30. When it is at 6 it is 30. Okay, and the hour hands at 8. Okay, ya Ahmed. Now it's your turn. What is the time? Can you tell me what is the time? First step, look at the hour hands. Where's the hour hands? Between which two numbers, ya Ahmed?
The our hand is 4.
No, look carefully. Guys, look carefully. امدوا خط. The hour hand is between 4 and 3. We take the smaller number. So the smallest is 3. Okay, and the minutes hands, what is it?
3 o'clock.
3, and the minutes hands.
3 o'clock.
No, look at the minutes hands. 1 minute hands.
13.
30, not 13. At 6 means 30 minutes. 6 means 30 minutes. رح ناخذ another example. Again guys, اكتبوا لي هون. 12 means 0. 12 شو يعني؟ Look at
12 means 0.
0.
0.
Yes, 0. It is 0. No minutes at all. 0, 0. Great job. Guys, write at your book. 6 means, write this at your book, please. 6 means 30 minutes. هذول رح نحفظهم لنا. 6 means 30 minutes. Okay, again. 12 means 0 minutes. 6 means 30 minutes. Thank you. Yep. Write this note, please. It is important. So important. This one. So when the minutes hands at 12, that means 0 minutes. بعدين حركين. When the minutes hands at 6, that means 30 minutes.
It's easy.
Yes, it is easy. بس بدنا شوي. المرة الجاية تكون كتير سهل. Just practicing. Only practicing. Done, guys?
Done.
Yes.
Yes, teacher. I'm
Okay.
done.
Yes, Saad, now it is your turn. Look at your phone because you don't have the book. Look at your phone. Now, guys, look, go next page, 367. What is the time, Saad? Okay, gonna make it bigger. Gonna zoom in for you. Okay, what is the time? For question number 4, yes. The hour hands point at yellow side. Unmute yourself, miss. I can't hear you. Put your sound on, Sad. Unmute yourself.
Oh, yes, now. The hour hand between
Yes.
9 and the minutes hand at the 6.
Okay, so the hour hands, we're gonna take 9 or 10. What do you think for hour?
9.
9, because we take the smaller one. Great job. And the minutes hands, how many minutes we have? It is at 6.
6 minutes.
30. 9 o'clock.
No. Don't say 9 o'clock. It is 9:30. That's it. Don't say 9 o'clock, guys. Don't say o'clock. No one says o'clock. Okay. 9:30. 9 and 30 minutes. 9 hours and 30 minutes. يلا يا بتول.
I'll do the page.
Question number 5, Batul.
Question number 5.
Yes. At first, look at minutes, hour hands. Yellow, 1 hour hands.
Here is it. The 6.
No, hour hands is the shorter one. Here is it.
Oh, okay. The 1.
12 and 1. Between 12 and 1. Sorry, which one? 12 ناخذ اللي قبل. No, 12 ناخذ اللي قبل دائما. Okay. اللي قبل 12. We're gonna take 12. Okay. And the minutes hands, what is it?
The minutes hand 6.
Teacher, why?
Write 6 like this?
No. 6-0.
No. When the minutes hands at 6 means what, guys? How many minutes? Look at your clock that you did it.
13 minutes, teacher.
30 minutes. When the
Teacher, but why? We take the smaller number.
because it is a 12 and half. Okay. بعد مش واصلين لل1. Okay. It is 12 and half. Okay.
Okay.
So each time the minute hand moves, we get closer to 1. I'm نقرب لل1. Okay? Lara, I want you to do question number 6. Yep.
Okay.
Look at minutes, our hands. We start at our hands. At which number point our hands?
One has
Yes, the smaller one, Asir.
Six.
At which number?
6.
6. It is only 6. Not between. It is only 6. Great job. Okay. What about minutes hands? At which number? Minutes hands.
Minute has 13.
Look, there's no 13. What is this number?
12.
12. Should I write it 12 like this for minutes? Active 12 like this?
No.
No. Minutes hands we count by 5. So like I said before, 12 means 0 minutes. There's no minute. 12 means 0 minutes. Again, guys, مشان الله. 12 means 0 minutes. 6 means 30 minutes. You have a clock.
Yes. 12 means 0 and 6 means 30.
That's it. Nimir, yalla, question number 7 with Nimir. Done, guys? Gonna delete it.
Yes, teacher.
I am done this page, all of it.
400.
Wait a second. The hour hands point at 4. Yes, the hour hands point at 4. And the minutes hands point at 12 means 0, 0. Okay, great job. Okay, Saad, you want to do another question? Question number 8. Yalla, I have 1 minute.
I like to do all the question, teacher. I know it. I know the time. So I like to do all the questions.
Yalla. Question number 8. Yalla, I have 1 minute. What is the time?
So can I solve number 8 and number 9?
يلا يلا هلا خليك بنمبر 8. Do question number 8. What is the time? بسرعة.
Yes. The hour hand between 11 and 12 and the minute hand at 6. So the answer is 11 o'clock and 30.
Yes, don't say o'clock. No o'clock. 11:30. Okay? O'clock ما رح نحكيها هلا. 11:30. Only 11:30. Thank you. So 11:30. You have question number 1 and number 9 homework. Okay, guys? هلا رح نبعثوا لي إياه. See you tomorrow. We've done for today. ما ضلناش كثير منا. Okay? See you tomorrow, guys. Or see you in the spelling bee contest. Bye.
Teacher, I want to do something. Wait.
I don't have
Question
time.
number 9.
رح تخلص الحصة by the way.